Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install PyCharm on a Windows 11 PC. PyCharm is a powerful IDE used for Python development and is developed by JetBrains. Before we start the installation, let's quickly understand what PyCharm is. PyCharm is a popular integrated development environment, also called an IDE, used for writing and developing Python programs. It provides helpful features like code completion, debugging tools, project management, and many built-in tools that make coding easier and faster. PyCharm was created by JetBrains, a well-known software development company that builds professional tools for programmers. Let's see how to install PyCharm on a Windows 11 PC. So for that, open any browser, type PyCharm downloads, open the JetBrains download link. As you can see, we are getting unified version of PyCharm. Earlier, there are two download options, PyCharm Community Edition and PyCharm Professional Edition. JetBrains now provide a unified version of PyCharm which include both the free community feature and the professional feature in one installer. This installer contains free core features like community and advanced pro feature locked until you buy license. When you install it, you automatically get 30-day professional trial, and after 30 days you can buy pro subscription or continue using free core features. So let's download this, and I'm using the Windows PC, so I'm going to select the Windows over here and click on download. Let's wait for it to get completed. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your network speed. Now our download is completed, so let's move forward and install it. Double click on the installer. We need to click on next. Then we need to choose the path where we need to install the PyCharm. I'm keeping it as default. There are some options you can choose while installing PyCharm. The first option is to create the desktop shortcut. You can check it. The second option is to add the bin folder to the path so that you can run PyCharm from any place using the command prompt. The third option is to add the open folder as project. You will see this in action when you right click on a particular folder and you will get the option to open that particular folder in the PyCharm. You can enable it. And the last option is to create the associations for the .py file. You can check this as well. Now click on next. Now click on install. Let's wait for it to get completed. Now our PyCharm is installed successfully. You can click on this checkbox to run the PyCharm. Click on finish. So our PyCharm is running completely fine. Here you can see there is a trial version enabled, and the number of days that is left is 27 days, and after the 27 days the pro feature will be disabled and you need to pay to enable it. So that's all about this video. In the next video we'll see how we can run a PySpark program in PyCharm. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.